Hello everybody, welcome back. Go on, do it.
Welcome to Big Dad Creates.
So Micah has come up with an awesome idea.
That's way too big.
Yeah, but hang on, it's got to go through that box, isn't it? Were you thinking use these half ones?
Yeah, I just cut one of these half ones.
Okay. Well now I'm thinking that's too small, look.
Too. Look. They're the wrong ones.
Ow.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right, my finger's under
Plus
it.
these don't have points.
Ah, okay. I need one with a point to get through.
But look. So, like this.
Okay.
So it's not too small.
Hang on, it's got to go through this hole at the bottom, otherwise it would just slide straight through. Okay, I'll get you. So Mike has been brainstorming the spoiler, or the rear fin, we're going to call it, because what we want to try and do is make sure that this thing doesn't leave the ground. Can I have one of those short ones, son?
Yeah, I got two.
We want this thing to continue along the road. Need to make another hole for that to go in. It might be alright with just one. What do you reckon?
Or then we can have like...
Well, yeah, that could do it. Or how are you going to fix the pizza tube?
Pizza tube.
Well, that's the spoiler, isn't it?
Yeah, well, aren't we just gonna, like, I think it would be a lot simpler if we just took one side.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Alright, cut it out. Use some snippers. Right, while Mike is cutting that, I'm going to glue this bad boy in. So basically, going to stick some glue around where they're coming out. I love the glue gun. It's my favourite bit of kit.
Open pizza bag.
So the spoiler's coming through there, or the aerodynamic fin. And what we'll do is stick some glue around there.
If you don't get at all what he's saying, it's just fancy words.
Yeah.
That are used for like spoiler, big, small.
Yeah.
Going faster than normal.
Oh, it's hot. Right, how's that looking? So far, wheels are on. Spoilers being made. Oh, the top wing. Look at that.
Oh, Dad, if we bend this.
Yeah. Do it on camera so people can see. Come on.
We bend, because we've got a pizza thing. We've
Oh,
got
yeah.
these ends.
Oh, yeah.
So we could bend them in a certain way.
That is awesome.
And then bring this up. But we're going to have to use something to keep it like this.
Yo! Okay. Just one memento. Just going to
Hello,
pause. Sorry about that. We someone was at the door. Bringing back one of my other children. Got a lot of children. Right. Where were we, big boy?
We were just making a spoiler.
Oh yeah, look at that thing. Look at that. Right. I'm thinking we need to put a couple of holes, put it down into there a little bit, and then glue it in. Are you with me? So make sure you get the holes in the in the right place. You can poke it through with this, and then that needs glue gunning in. I'm going to think about these little fins. I'm wondering. That's really stuck on. Oh. What about the front? Let me think about the front. We need some sort of aerodynamic scoop that's going to push the air up and over the top. Yeah, what can we do? I'll tell you what, it's right here in front of me. Other part of the pizza box. This pizza tube's coming very handy. And can I just say, pizza dough ready rolled from Asda. It's a winner, isn't it, Bobs?
Yeah.
What about?
Okay, glue gun.
Yeah, put glue on the tops. And smudge it round. Can use this sort of spatula to smudge it round. It goes off really, really quickly. I'm wondering about this front bit. That would be pretty awesome. Maybe a triangle design would work. No, I'm not happy with that. Not feeling it.
A minute ago you just said it's the winner. But no. Nah, I'm not feeling it.
Nah, mate. I'm wondering then. I'm just trying to think about the front here and how we create a bit of... I don't know. We might have to come back to the front. It's not unusual, but I'm a bit stumped on the front. Might have something we can use somewhere in one of our recycling drawers. How's that looking?
Good. I just need to do this bottom part.
Nice work.
I can't get
I like these. Oh, we'll turn it over. There you go. Hang on, let's get it on the video. Make sure, yeah, do it there and people can see. Look at him working.
Awkward silence.
Looks good though. Look at that. I mean, from the back of this, it looks like the Batmobile made out of cereal. Yeah, Batmobile 2.0.
I'm just trying to get all the strings off.
So, front, what we saying? Do we need some kind of air brake, air scoop? I'm wondering. I mean, this is there, isn't it? Why don't we? Yeah, let's just do it. Let's make it happen. Right now, this is happening.
Was that the stringy? Yeah.
We need to think about a name for this. Every sort of land speeder has to have a name.
Drenalize.
What?
Drenalizer.
Drenalizer?
Yeah.
What does drenalize mean?
I have no clue.
I like it then. The drenalizer.
Ooh. Sounds cool. Oh.
We might have to knock at our neighbours again and borrow their pump because we don't have a pump that's big enough at the moment.
This is it.
I'll tell you when we go.
Oh.
Right. What do you reckon? It's looking... Oh no! We've reached the end of the gaffer tape. So, can we use this anywhere? Any purpose for that? Ooh, hello.
Wow.
Hello.
It's like an exhaust pipe.
Oh, I actually really like that on the back there.
Massive exhaust pipe.
That looks awesome. Glue that in, champ.
We might need another one of these soon.
Okay. Whoa.
Whoa.
We gave me the glue. Here, look, on the top.
Oh, there.
Yeah? There's nothing holding that. Micah is gluing where there's nothing holding it.
I don't mind.
You're
this
funny.
is the stick I used to get the string.
Oh. It fell off. It fell off. I didn't do it. Where's that glue gun?
Didn't glue it right.
Come to Papa. That's why you work with Big Daddy, alright? It's not a problem. That's why we're a team. Mind your little pinkies.
Normally Annie that does it with you.
Yeah, I know. Right, smooth
I
them
want
out.
to start doing it with you.
Hey?
I want to start doing some.
Want to be famous?
Yeah.
Like your sister?
No, I'm already a famous Fortnite player.
Right, how's the video doing? Yes, we are nearly out of time on this first video. Second video. Right, anything else we need to do to this? Let's get it so we can do a good thumbnail. We want to show you. Look at this. Look at the speed machine. Look at it.
Oh, Dad, you know them planes? You know the RAF planes?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, them ones that go really high and they're black and they're like.
Daddy's been up with the RAF.
Have you?
Yeah.
No, you haven't.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
When?
Friend of mine is a
pilot
who trains pilots, and he and his 3 mates took me up. And there's 3 of us.
Yeah.
3 aeroplanes, and we went up and did stunts. It was one of the best experiences ever.
I remember now. You told me about it, and then you showed me a video.
I'm kind of thinking we need to stick some stuff on for decoration. What do you reckon? But should we go and see if it'll run? Should we test it?
Yeah, we need water in it though.
Is it ready for our maiden voyage?
Yeah.
I think it is. All right.
Where's that spoiler?
Which one?
No, that dingly thing.
What dingly thing?
Not doorknob thingy.
Oh, in the man tin, the tin of curiosity. Where are you thinking that's gonna go?
You can stick it
on there.
No, I'm gonna glue this triangle together.
I mean, maybe at the front.
Because I was just messing around.
We don't want that on though. That's too heavy. We want to keep this baby light.
Okay. Can I at least put some decoration on?
Yeah. Right, join us in the next video. We are going to be decorating this, the adrenalizer. Was that what you called it?
Yeah.
We're going to be decorating See you in the next video. Bye. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We are here. We are in the garden. Micah is working on the paint, shaking the paint. We're going to spray it. Yeah. Look at that beast. The adrenalizer, or something like that. What do we call it?
The adrenalizer.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going out now.
Right, let's have the paint. Right, we are shaking this Cobra black because we do
it's black.
a little bit of spraying sometimes.
Oh.
We're stealthing it out.
Dad, you missed the part.
Yeah, I know. I'll come round.
You've got to do the weak bit too. Oh, spoiler. There's a bit to the right side of the...
Alright, I'll come round. Can you turn it for me?
Sure.
Nice.
You need to get the back, don't you, sir?
Yeah, turn it round.
Where am I going to take it from?
So this actually really does look like the Batmobile now. Oh, backdraft. Right. We're going to let that dry.
How long will it take?
I don't know. Not too long, because I want to use it. And we'll be back in a minute. Thanks for watching. Bye.